Hi, did you know that you can take attendance smartly on the SchoolTry portal? Well, parents need to get informed when the child has gotten to school. And of course, one of the key features of SchoolTry is it gives the ability for parents to know what time the child got to school and what time the child also left the school. And that can simply be called attendance marking. So in this video, we'll be showing you how to take attendance as an admin on the SchoolTry portal. In case you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, ensure you do so by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and of course tap the like button if you like this video. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we'll be visiting the dashboard of the admin to make this happen. So the first step we take is we go to the dashboard, and this is this regular dashboard we are all accustomed to over and over again. And in this dashboard, we're going to be channeling to the three dashes here, the triple dashes. You click on the triple dashes, there's a pop-up that comes up, and then you can see teacher panel. When you open on teachers panel, there are about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are about 8 options that is provided on the teachers panel. So what you're going to do is click on manage attendance right below manage leaves. If you've not seen the video on how to manage leaves, click on the button above and you'll be taken to how you can manage leaves in real time. So how to manage attendance, you click on manage attendance, and of course this is a very beautiful feature that you seriously love. So you come to the upper right corner here where it says add attendance. So you click on add attendance. So once you click on add attendance, remember you are taking attendance as an admin. So this is a dashboard of an admin. An admin has ability to do almost anything, if not everything, on the school's portal. Any actions that the sub-admin can take, an admin can do such. Any action that a user can take, an admin can also do so. An admin can orchestrate any project or any procedure from the back end as an admin, and it comes out beautifully well. So here you're going to be selecting a class, and the class you'll be using here is GSS2. So once we click on GSS2, you can see this is the name of the students that are occupying the class GSS2. So all you simply do is select the 2 students. For example, we have Jacob Bryant. This is check-in. That is, when the student arrives in the morning, you click on check-in and the parent is notified that the child has gotten to school. And when the child closes from school and is about to leave school for home, you click on check out, so the parents can also be notified that the child has left school. So we click on check-in as well. The students that we'll be using is Timi Adi. We're going to be checking in for both students. We say check-in. It says the students checked in exactly 9 a.m. just as the time here says 9 a.m. automatically. So the same thing applies for Timi Adi that is in the morning. Click on check in. So you do the same procedure when the student is about to leave school. So when you click on check out, apparently you cannot click on check out at the same time. That is, if you clicked on check in just now, you cannot click on check out immediately. The timing cannot allow that. So let us say we have this button here. Once you click on check in for the 2 students, that is in the morning, you click on save. By so doing, it sends a notification to the parent that this child has gotten to school. From this point, you can also say that you want to add attendance, and when you add attendance, now we are trying to check out. You can come to GSS2 again. As you can see, it says checked in at 9 a.m. and 9:01. Now, one of the other things that makes attendance calling on SchoolTry effortless and more precise is that it doesn't matter when you go to school. What matters is the moment you stepped into school and your attendance has been taken, that is when you got to school indeed. So there's no room for forging or changing of time with a pen or a book. So we're about to check out right now. We say the student have closed at 9:02. We check out as well, and then we click on save. So when we click on save again, it means the student has come to school and also has left the school. Alright, and that takes us to the end of today's tutorial video on SchoolTry. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, that is to like. Also tap on the notification icon, and of course SchoolTry is the future. Download SchoolTry on Google Play Store and on Apple Store. You can use this button get started to sign up, and in this our Black Friday season you can enjoy 3 months free subscription to all of our premium services. Thank you.